Yeah. I introduce to you none other. It's yours truly, the one and only Young Rich T. Let's do it. I got this. The streets introduced me, the cash flow seduced me. Self-made music, cause that's who distribute it. Even though I don't hit the block too tough, 3 Dub, I rep it faithfully, that's where I grew up. You so last year, and I'm the future. I'm still about the money, if you ain't, I throw the deuce up. Loser, a bank account recruiter. Money stupid, I need a one-on-one tutor. This is my school, you a substitute teacher. I'm courtside, why you nosebleed in the bleachers? Your number one, he's dynamic, a keeper. He ride it so good, he don't even need a feature. Man, I swear I'm so overlooked. I'm raw, so well, rare, undercooked. I overstand, they never understood. They wish they really can, I wish a nigga would. The fan club gon' reach an all-time high after this one. My stock gon' go up after this one. Yeah, I'm a 3 Dub vet until they close my curtain. So far from lame, I'm pretty close to perfect. I kick it with the crew, outsiders make me nervous. Staying away from broke niggas cause I'm allergic. That hating ain't working, you should be paying homage. I never ever change, to me I made a promise. These niggas get a little money, start acting funny. I'm kinda used to it, man, I'm just being honest. See, I was raised different, cut from a different cloth. Street cred A1, they call me steak sauce. See, I was taught to handle business like a man should. Might not be the best yet, but I'm damn good. I go damn hard, killing shit with no remorse. Big meals, 5 course, first, second, third, fourth. I'm never off track, I'm staying on course. I think it's time, so I had to pass me the torch. And there you have it, Young Rich T. Best friends with the bank. Staying hater proof, sucker free, and doing me.
Smoking on y'all long kush.